Hey guys, it's Claudia. Today we're going to be making a beautifying juice, beautifying for your hair, for your skin. I'm going to make one combination. In the next videos I will show you other combinations. I'm going to use lettuce. It is very rich in potassium, which is good to reduce the graying of the hair. Then it has vitamin A, magnesium. It's very rich in iron. This is a green star juicer. I have been making juice for the last 20 years and I've gone through many juicers, and I find this juicer to be one of the best because you can juice vegetables that are very hard and the pulp will come out dry, and it's even able to juice wheatgrass. So I usually use a whole or 2 heads of lettuce. So the next green that I'll be using is spinach. Spinach is rich in iron. It is rich in carotenoids. So I will juice now the whole bowl of spinach. As you can see from the juice, it is also a very dark green juice, which again shows us that spinach is very rich in chlorophyll. Chlorophyll oxygenates the blood, renews cells, and which again it's very good for the production of collagen, and it will keep your skin smooth, will slow aging and reduce fine lines. The best is to drink your juice within half an hour, because after half an hour the enzymes start dying. The next vegetable that I will be juicing is arugula. Arugula is rich in vitamin A, again a wonderful food for our skin and hair, and it also is very good to heal skin disorders. The juice of arugula is also very strong because arugula has a lot of bitter substances in it, which also help clean our liver. I will use pineapple to counteract the bitterness of the arugula. Pineapple contains bromelain, vitamin C, vitamin A. I'm using these carrots. They are half purple, half orange, and have a little bit more carotenoid as the regular carrots. It is one of the best vegetables for the health of your eyes. I'm going to add also some apple. Apples are very rich in pectin. Apple juice also helps our digestion. I'm using here green apple. Green apple has more pectin than the red apple. Also, it is nice to eat and to juice different color fruits and vegetables, because each color shows that the particular fruit or vegetable contains a specific ingredient that our body really needs. Another thing I will add to this juice is a little piece of turmeric. Turmeric cleans our blood and oxygenates our cells. I have here some watercress. Watercress is moisturizing, it's very rich in water. It is a wonderful vegetable for your skin and for your hair too. And then I have here stinging nettle. The stinging nettle is a wild green and is really very rich in iron, and is also able to stop excessive bleeding. So it's a wonderful vegetable to use if you are having problems during your period with too heavy menstruation, or any other kind of blood hemorrhage. It is also a libido booster, and it is known for centuries as one of the best remedies for hair loss. And if you like to also wash your hair with nettle juice, it will keep your hair darker for longer. I'm going to add some aloe vera. Aloe vera is very rich in silica, which prevent wrinkles. It's anti-inflammatory, a wonderful vegetable to fight diseases like rheumatism, arthritis. It is known as one of the best wound healer. It helps the skin heal from scarring. So next I will be using some lemons. Lemons are a wonderful alkalizing food and a blood purifier. If you want to have a blemish-free, clear complexion, then try to drink as much as you can lemons. I use also the skin. The skin has anti-cancer properties. Then we're going to use some cucumbers. Cucumbers are rich in silica. The silica is for the most part in the skin, so I'm going to keep the skin on, and it's also very rich in sulfur, and so a wonderful, wonderful food for your hair and your skin. One more beauty food that I will be using is red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, are a great food to fight hair loss, and very good food for slowing down aging. My last ingredient is pear. Pear has the ability to slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. I forgot one more vegetable, which is alfalfa. Alfalfa is the best vegetable against hair loss and for the regrowth of hair. And of course, to maintain a beautiful skin, wrinkle-free. It oxygenates the blood. It has many proteins and amino acids, which makes it a great food for vegans. Okay, I think now we are finished. Put everything in the jar. We're going to strain it. It doesn't look too appetizing, but it is very, very good for you. Give it a taste. Delicious. It tastes just like a lemonade with a touch of green. So thank you for watching me. If you liked my video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and comment below. You can also find me on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and you can find this recipe on my website, and you can also sign up to my newsletter for more tips, articles and news from me. I hope to see you here again soon. Thank you. Bye.